Hello friends, welcome to my channel Dialux Learning Made Easy Part 10. Now we are going to be a little more serious because the building is ready and we will start putting the lights, and before that let's see about this lights and various types of lights and the plugins and things like that, how to import lights from other manufacturers, and then how to lay it, etc. Okay, now let's see. This building we have completed last in part 9. Let's see the 3D view. Okay, I did not make any big decoration. It's the same plan which we were following before. Okay, I'll see the plan now. We will see the lights. Go to this. This is the light. Okay, when you click this light, you get the light simple. Everything is here. Okay, now from this window you can start importing the lights. We go to the light thing. We have two options here. Go to the brand. Now you don't know which light you're going to put, and you have to get idea about the light. So you have two methods. One is go to the brand in the sense that different manufacturers names and the emblems will come and you can choose from there. Or if you are already a designer and if you have the IES for different luminaries or the dialux data for the luminaries, you go to your own list. Okay, now I have my list here which I already started working on that. Okay, we will go to that later, but let's go to the brand now. Let's see the brand. Here you have roughly now between 400 to 450 brands. I think early it was 100, then 200, 300, 400. Now I understand it is roughly around 450 members are here, or perhaps even more than 450, I believe. So you open this light manufacturers and you choose. This is Xenia, Glamox, Jacor, Lighting Technologies, Philips, Thorlux, Zimtable. These are all international or multinational brands. Okay, let's for the time being, let's see. Now if you want to go to Xenia, this is the first one I am seeing here. Xenia, you click, it is here. Okay, from here you have provision to download or view it online itself. Okay, I am just okay, so you can start product catalog offline or online. Let's see in offline what you have here. Okay, the catalog is still being started. Okay, let's see, let's go to online. It's coming. Okay, it takes little bit time for these lights to come. Okay, Xenia, we are going to their website, and their different product families are coming here. Okay, you can choose any light from here. Let's say, and each time you choose the light, okay, now let's say this is a tall or small 36 cm. Once you choose, you have different methods also. If you already know about the light, you can choose the product family. Let's say Atolo. Then this will come, or Bilex, whatever family. I mean, if you know, it is okay. I'm just choosing this one now. Okay, from this. Then you have this, this is the dialux file. It goes directly to the dialux file or IES or LDT export. This IES file also you can export, or the PDF export. You can take anything. Even this IES file, you can take it. This IES stand for what you call that, Illumination Engineering Society, I believe. IES, each light has got IES file. These are set by the manufacturer, that talks about the photometric distribution and technical data. You can import this also to dialects. I'll show you this later. Let us now choose this one, send to dialects, this light. Okay. Now, once I select this one, maybe it is gone already to the dialects now. I will exit from here. Okay. This one I exit from here, from this Xenia side. Let's see. Okay, if the light has come, let's see. Okay. Photo status. Okay, open luminaries list. Let's see. See, this is the one we choose. Okay. Now you click here. It will be, this is the one you are going to use here. You see, it came here. Now, if you want, you can choose this one. Okay. I'll tell you how to place it. Before that, this seems to be a little bit big. I have some other lights here. I go to my luminary list. Okay. I choose. These are all the lists of the items which I was using in various projects I was doing recently. Okay. In my computer. So I am taking one of the lights from my file. If you don't have your own file, you can import it from the brands. Open to go to brand, open any of the manufacturer, choose the light, and it will come here to your list, and automatically it will make a list of your own. Okay, and every time you open, this list will be updated. As an example, I just imported one light here, it came here. Next time I go to another site, I import a light, it will come here. Okay. Now, I'm choosing this light here. Okay. When I choose, the light changed here. See, the light changed here. You can choose any light from your list. Now, from here, you can, different methods you can use. How to place it. For the sake of interest, I'll just start with individual luminary. Click here. So your luminary is with you. I can paste it here. I clicked. Luminary came. You can move it also. Once you get this X and Y axis with this highlight emblem, you can move it. Okay. I just click here. It came here. Now this is a light. Okay. Now this is simply, I'm showing you how to make the light. And of course, there are different methods to bring the lights here. I'll click this one. It becomes red. Right click. I delete it. Okay. The light is gone. Now let's see. For the whole room, I'm going to place it together. Draw a rectangular arrangement. Let's click it. Each time you click, only the light you selected will be coming here. Okay. Rectangular. So I click here. Let's say I click here, then I click here. So as a rectangle, it came here. How many lights are here? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 3 into 4. 12 lights came. Okay. Now in this condition, you can adjust the, okay. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 12 lights. You can completely choose this one. The rectangle will come here and you can adjust. See, I am adjusting because your idea is, suppose the default method is coming. See the red line I am pulling. Okay, default method is coming. Sometimes what happens is the lights are not uniformly distributed. As I told you, we have a method to distribute it uniformly, because if you put all the lights in the middle, your uniformity will be gone. Okay, so that we will see when we do various exercises. You will know that. Okay, this is the room number 5. I put 12 lights and let's see what are the data came here. Okay, let's say. Now, when you choose this light and lay it here, we have to, before we do this one, it is better always to decide the working plane also. Okay, even though I spoke to you in the last part about the working plane, before we lay the light, we must define the working plane here. The height of the plane we have to decide where we are concentrating for the light calculation. Okay, now let us decide that. Let's say let's go to the space. Now select this plane. Let's see what is the working plane here. Working plane here, height of the room space is 0.2. As I told you, we have the table here, and let's choose the working plane as 0.8 meter and the wall zone as zero point 0.1 meter. Let it be there. Okay. Now, 0.8, that means 80 centimeter is the working plane. All the points in this room 80 centimeter above the floor level will be our working plane. So the lighting calculation will be calculated based on that working plane. Okay. Now let's see how this lights are laid. You see the X, Y, Z, this thing. Okay, position and rotation. Okay, size is 2.8 meter. Okay, 2.8. Okay, let's see. So this room, height of the space is 2.8 meter. As I told you, because the room height we have already entered here, you can change if you want. But for the building, initially we set the height here. Okay, so this is the light we choose here. Now, from my experience and look, I feel that the uniformity is not here because four lights, four lights, four lights. Okay, this is not okay. We have to distribute it a little more, wisely. This we will do it in our next class. Okay, if you want, you can take it as an exercise and try to put lights. Okay, try to put lights and see in various ways. Put low wattage and number more so that your uniformity will be great. Okay, better. Try your best to do or lay the lights and just make a practice. Okay. This is only for one room I am telling you. So next other rooms we will do it in the next class, and then we make a uniform spreading of the lights by different methods or even individual or even giving additional lights. We will see that. Then we go to the calculation. Okay, after completing all the rooms. Thank you very much for watching. See you in our next class. Now I have to request you to subscribe this so that you will get the information right when I launch the next part, because from next part onwards it will be a little more serious and we'll be concentrating on the lighting design and the calculation and any problems related to lighting design, then uniformity, UGR, glare index, and etc, etc, etc. We will see more in the next class. Okay, thanks a lot. Subscribe this please. Bye.